Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G 5G for quicker wireless. So the Moto G 5G is a new smartphone for quicker wireless. It's available now for $199.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone on quicker wireless, the Moto G 5G is worth taking a look at here. So you guys have to find it there. It's available now in midnight gray. They're very nice looking phone, specs and all that good stuff there. So yeah, so it's $199.99 for new customers. Current customers, it's $199.99 as well. So there's no discounts on this phone here. So yeah, let's go check out the Moto G 5G. So you guys have your front-facing camera there, your hole punch there, earpiece, power, and band piece on the right side of the phone there. The left side of the phone has your micro SD and SIM card slot. On the back of the Moto G 5G is your triple camera setup, along with your dual LED flash, your Motorola logo, and it looks like it has this brushed aluminum on the back there. I don't know if it's made of plastic or aluminum or aluminum. So very nice design overall. You guys can also finance this phone monthly if you guys are wanting to do that. $9 a month at 0% APR with the firm. If you guys want to finance it, go ahead. But it's $199.99 for retail price. Alright. So here are the some features on the Moto G 5G here. So you guys have a 6.5-inch display, 50 megapixel main camera, 64 gigabytes of storage. It says upgrade to super fast speed with the new Moto G 5G and get lightning fast 5G connectivity. Discover new ways to tell your story using a 50 megapixel camera system. Go for up to 2 days without recharging and enjoy breathtaking ultra wide views on a fast and fluid 6.5-inch 90Hz display. Move up to the next generation with the Moto G 5G. Alright. More features on the Moto G 5G here. Super fast 5G speed. So that's the main selling point of this phone. It says do more than you ever thought possible with the unbelievable speed of 5G. Stream with virtually no buffering and video chat without lag, so you feel like you're in the same room. 50 megapixel camera system with dual capture. Take stunning pictures, portraits, and close-ups. Even capture video and photos with rear and front cameras at once. Up to 2 days battery. Free yourself from the power outlet. The massive 5,000 mAh battery keeps you working and playing for longer without worrying about running out of power. So yeah, pretty good there. So the specs on the Moto G 5G are pretty good. This is a budget phone, so you're getting budget specs for $200. But the main selling point that it does have 5G, like I said. So there's the specs right there. These are the correct specs. The Bismo version had like different specs for like a different phone. But if you get to the Bismo spec page, it will have the same specs like this here. So anyways, you guys have Android 12 on board, which is nice. Your dimensions for the Moto G 5G is 6.65 inches, 2.99 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. I think the Bismo version had something a bit different than that, so it's definitely all over the place here in terms of like specs and dimensions and stuff. So kind of interesting. 6.5-inch display, HD plus 90Hz, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM. Your connectivity options on the Moto G 5G: Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and AC, mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi calling, USB Type-C, Bluetooth 5.1. Cameras, you do get 3 in the rear, 50 megapixel main, 2 megapixel depth, and a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back, 13 megapixel front facing camera. Y'all guys get a octa-core processor, 5000 mAh battery. So yeah. Alright. So y'all guys see the dimensions there on the phone. There's the correct dimensions right there on the phone. So it's 6.5 in 6.51 inches height, 2.98 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. So these are the correct dimensions of the Moto G 5G. Alright. Like I said, it is all over the place on Boost Mobile and the Cricket website, so it's kind of interesting. So accessories for the Moto G 5G, you know, they got some cases here. So they got like some cases here if you guys want to check them out. Screen protectors and stuff like that. If you guys want to get more accessories, go to Amazon and type in Moto G 5G 2022 to get your accessories on Amazon. So yeah, so there you guys have it. The Moto G 5G is now here at Cricket Wireless. It's available now for $199.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone on Cricket, the Moto G 5G is worth taking a look at here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It bless me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.